Okay, so here our directions are to find the greatest common factor. And we just saw in a video how to find the greatest common factor of x to the second and x to the fifth. That was this back here. So go back to that video if you need to look at that. And then we also should know from a while ago how to find the greatest common factor of two numbers. So what we're doing here is putting that together. So if you're unsure how to do those parts I just mentioned, I encourage you to go back to previous videos and look that up. So let's start with this first one. The greatest common factor of 12 and 16, I remember that is 4. And the greatest common factor of x squared and x to the fifth power is x squared. All right, so my greatest common factor, moving on to the next one, of 14 and 21, that is 7. My greatest common factor of x to the third and x to the fourth is x to the third. So the greatest common factor there is 7x to the third power. Let's see, my greatest common factor of 6 and 20, that's just 2. And my greatest common factor of x to the third power and x to the fifth power, that is x to the third power. So I do encourage you at this point to try and go on and go ahead and do these on your own if you believe you can. I think we've done enough examples, but I'm still going to put the solutions up here for you. You can pause the video to do them on your own and then check yourself. All right, so the greatest common factor of 5 and 15 is 5. And the greatest common factor of x to the 6 and x to the second is x squared. And then finally, the greatest common factor of 33 and 27 is 3. The greatest common factor of x to the 6th and x to the second is x to the second. All right, great.